Question say, if open bracket s minus 2 close bracket all raised to power n is equals to 10,000, we should find the value of what? X and n. So what we are going to do, we have what? X minus 2 all raised to power n is equals to what? 10,000. We can have x minus 2 raised to power n is equals to, I'm going to split this 10,000 into 2. You know, 10,000 is what? 100 times 100 is 10,000. And now I have x minus 2 raised to power n is equals to, I can rewrite this 10 as what? 10 raised to power 2, because 10 times 10 is 100 times what? 10 raised to power 2. Then we have x minus 2 all raised to power n is equals to, our apply multiplication law of indices. If the base are the same, you add the power. And now I have 10 raised to power 2 plus 2. I have x minus 2 all raised to power n is equals to what? 10 raised to power 4. Here come the what? The analysis. Now I want the left hand side to be equals to the what? The right hand side. So here I'm going to have x minus 2 all raised to power n is equals to what? 12 minus what? 2 all raised to power n all raised to power 4. Why did I say that? Because 12 minus 2 will still give me 10. Alright? So automatically by using comparing method, here, our x is equals to 12. We combine the power, our n is equals to 4. Thank you.